As summer creeps in with blazing temperatures, classrooms across Jamaica are turning into ovens, and educators say it's time for action. Stakeholders are sounding the alarm, urging the government to move swiftly with a plan to make school buildings more climate friendly. Sandy Williams reports.
Rising heat is no longer a seasonal inconvenience. It's interfering with learning, and teachers say students are struggling to stay focused in stifling classrooms. Alex Hepburn, chairman of QEC 11 and principal of Mona Heights Primary School, paints a vivid picture.
We're seeing where the classrooms are becoming hotter and hotter over the years. At home, you would feel where it's extremely hot, especially during the summer months. And as such, the classrooms are now very uncomfortable. And it is very difficult for children to learn in circumstances and situations where they're not comfortable.
Over at Listomere Gilby High School for the Deaf, Principal Stacey and Dockery says the issue is even more complex.
The building has been there for more than 50 years, and how it was set up for as soundproof. And so right now we need to hit out some of the wall and put in windows, right? And that's a costly venture.
The census is clear. The country's outdated school infrastructure, many buildings decades old, cannot keep up with the realities of climate change. Mr. Hepburn is calling on the government to act now.
I want to remind the government that, listen, you need to be thinking of this very early and start to impact the change in the schools. Many of these schools that we have here in Jamaica, the infrastructures are very old, archaic, and really are out of touch with the times that we're in. So we need to pivot and start building buildings, building schools that can really help our children to learn based on how comfortable they will be in those rooms.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.